When you come to these events, you find some of the craziest foods out there.
I'm super pumped to see the lineup today. Really excited to go check out some of the acts on the main stage.
I shot some images in portrait mode to help emphasize some of the detail in the hair and makeup, because I feel like that's really important to Coachella style.
It was so much fun to serve all these looks. Such a dream come true.
Here are all my travel essentials. I'll show you how to use Google Lens to find similar items. Let's head to Coachella.
First time out here, let's get it poppin'.
Alright y'all, so it's my first time at Coachella. I caught up with my dog, Pink Sweats. One of the cool things about the Pixel is real tone. It brings out the vibrancy and dark hues naturally and really beautifully.
Saturday, Coachella is bananas. I'm getting all types of footage. I'm getting all types of food.
Your boy found the Tiki Bar.
I had an interview with Rina Sawayama. I used my speech enhancement mode to make sure I captured everything that she said.
The eyeshadow has to be lifted, the hair has to be up.
Yeah. Then I went to go see her set, and I used optical zoom to get a better picture of her on stage as she was slaying it.
I wanted to get a quick photo, and I'm using Magic Eraser to erase elements I don't want. Look how cute it turned out.
Look at this cute photo of me and Jason. I used the wide angle selfie mode to get everything in frame.
Day 3 of Coachella.
I can't believe it's already the last day.
I finally arrived, y'all. Delicious pizza. Feature I think is truly amazing is just the portrait light. You can use this as an after effect for any of the pictures that you decide to take.
I got to hang out with my boy Hayden James. He even gave me some great advice on being a DJ.
Keep pursuing what you do. If you love it and it's your dream, like absolutely go for it.
Let's end this amazing weekend with this epic night sight shot in front of the Ferris wheel.
What an amazing weekend.
Thanks for following along.
Peace out, Coachella. See you guys next time.